This happens every day, but nobody notices. Tiny creatures secretly defy death all around us. Beneath our feet, an incredible world thrives unseen. Meet the tardigrades, also known as waterbears. These microscopic animals are truly nature's toughest survivors. They endure conditions no other life form can tolerate. Their existence reveals biology's most astonishing hidden secrets. Prepare to discover their extraordinary, resilient universe. Tardigrades are segmented, 8-legged microanimals. They typically measure less than 1 millimeter in length. Found globally, from mountaintops to ocean depths, scientists first described them in 1773 by Johann Goeze. He named them kleiner Wasserbear or little water bear. Their slow, lumbering gait resembles a bear's walk. They belong to the phylum Tardigrade, distinct from insects. These tiny creatures survive extreme temperatures. They withstand freezing cold, down to -272 Celsius. Boiling hot conditions, exceeding 150 degrees Celsius, don't deter them. Tardigrades endure immense radiation, thousands of times human limits. They survive pressures 6 times greater than ocean's deepest points. Even the vacuum of outer space is no match for them. In 2007, researchers sent tardigrades into Earth orbit. They returned alive, surviving solar radiation and vacuum. This made them the first animals known to survive space. Their resilience challenges our understanding of life itself. How do they achieve such incredible feats of survival? Their secret lies in a reversible state called cryptobiosis. When conditions become harsh, they enter a ton state. They retract their heads and legs, shriveling into a ball. Their metabolism slows down to less than 0.01%. They produce special sugars, like trehalose, protecting cells. These sugars replace water, preventing cellular damage. This ton can persist for decades, perhaps even centuries. Rehydration revives them, bringing them back to life. The implications of tardigrade research are profound. Understanding their biology could revolutionize medicine. Imagine preserving organs without refrigeration for long periods. Space exploration benefits from studying their radiation resistance. Future astronauts might utilize similar protective mechanisms. Their unique adaptations offer clues to extraterrestrial life. They remind us of life's incredible tenacity and adaptability. From our mossy gardens to the cosmos, tardigrades persist. These hidden masters of survival truly redefine life's boundaries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.